Claude AI account banned. How to appeal and fix disabled accounts 2026. Full guide. Did you wake up to a message saying your account has been disabled and now you cannot access Claude? Before you panic or create a new account, there is an official process to appeal your ban and get your account back. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to fix a banned or disabled Claude account in 2026 so you can restore access and avoid losing your conversations and subscription. Here is the truth about Claude account bans. Anthropic banned 1.45 million accounts in the second half of 2025 alone. However, an appeal success rate of 82.3% shows that many bans are reversible if you follow the correct process. Let me walk you through everything. Step 1. Check if this is actually a ban or a system outage. Before you panic, go to status.anthropic.com and check the current status. On March 11, 2026, a widespread Anthropic outage prevented thousands of users from logging in. Many assumed they were banned when it was just a service issue. Check the status page first. If all systems show operational, proceed to Step 2. Step 2. Read the exact error message you received. Different messages mean different things. An error saying your account has been disabled after an automatic review of your recent activities indicates a true policy violation ban. This is the most serious type. An error saying this organization has been disabled usually means an Anthropic console or billing issue, not a consumer account ban. Save the exact error text, the timestamp, your time zone, and your account email. You will need this for your appeal. Step 3. Identify why your account was banned. Common reasons include policy violations like jailbreak attempts or harmful content requests, unsupported location usage, VPN, or suspicious IP address usage. Account sharing or creating multiple accounts. Rapid IP geolocation switching like logging in from New York then London in minutes. API abuse or bot-like behavior, payment fraud detection. Billing anomalies like a recent plan upgrade or false positives during system outages. Step 4. Do not create a new account immediately. This is the biggest mistake people make. Creating a new account to circumvent a ban actually worsens your situation and can get all accounts associated with your device banned. Do not change your IP address or turn on a VPN while appealing. This signals deception to Anthropic and undermines your appeal. Step 5. Turn off your VPN. If you are using a VPN, turn it off completely and connect to a clean, stable residential IP address like your home Wi-Fi. This signals to Anthropic that you are a legitimate user. Make this change before submitting your appeal. Step 6. Gather your evidence. Save screenshots of the error message, the date and time you discovered the ban, your account email, what plan you were on, your payment method, and a list of what you were using Claude for. The more documentation you provide, the better. Step 7. Identify which email to use. For safety warnings or policy violation appeals, email usersafety@anthropic.com. For account disablement or general appeals, go to the official appeal form at support.claude.com. Step 8. Go to claude.ai and try to log in with your banned account. You should see an option to appeal or fill out an appeal form. Click on it. Step 9. Fill out the appeal form completely. Include your account email, the approximate date your account was disabled, a clear and honest description of your typical use cases with Claude, any technical circumstances that may have contributed like VPN usage or payment changes, and a respectful explanation of why you believe the decision was wrong. Step 10. Be honest about what happened. If you were testing jailbreak prompts, say so and explain that you understand this violates the acceptable use policy and you will not do it again. If you were using a VPN for privacy reasons, explain that you understand this raised security flags and you have since disabled it. Honesty is more effective than denial. Step 11. Avoid making false claims. Do not say you never used jailbreak prompts if you did. Do not claim you never used a VPN if you did. Anthropic can review your usage logs. False claims destroy your credibility and tank your appeal success rate. Step 12. Write a professional but human tone. Do not sound robotic or scripted. Sound like a real person who genuinely uses Claude and values the platform. Explain your specific use cases with examples. Step 13. Submit your appeal as quickly as possible. Anthropic reports that appeals submitted within 24 hours of the ban receive faster review times. Some users reported getting their account restored in 11 days when they appealed immediately. Do not wait. Step 14. Include a sample appeal message. Here is a template you can adapt. I am writing to appeal the suspension of my Claude account associated with this email. I am a genuine user who relies on Claude for productivity and learning. I received an error message on date saying my account was disabled. I believe this may have been triggered by my use of a VPN for general internet privacy, which I have since disabled. I have never intentionally violated the acceptable use policy, and I strictly avoid harmful content requests. I use Claude primarily for writing assistance and coding questions. I would greatly appreciate if you could review my account and restore my access. Thank you for considering my appeal. Step 15. Wait for Anthropic's response. Response times vary from 7 to 14 days typically. During periods of high enforcement activity, wait times can extend to 2 to 3 weeks. You will receive an email from Anthropic with their decision. If approved, you will be able to log back in immediately. Step 16. What if your appeal is rejected? If rejected, you have limited options. You can request clarification on why your appeal was denied. You can wait 30 days and submit a second appeal. If you are a paid subscriber, you can request a refund through your payment method. You cannot create a new account to circumvent the ban. That violates terms of service and will result in all accounts being banned. Important information about appeals. Anthropic's Safeguards team handles all appeals. They do read them carefully. An 82% success rate for well-documented appeals shows that legitimate users do get restored. The most common successful appeals are those resulting from false positives during plan upgrades or payment changes. VPN-triggered false positives often succeed on appeal. Serious policy violations like repeated jailbreak attempts have lower success rates. If your account was a legitimate mistake, your odds are very good. Pro tip. The fastest way to get your account restored is to be completely honest about what triggered the ban. Explain that you understand why it was triggered. Commit to not repeating the behavior. And submit your appeal within 24 hours. Anthropic values honesty and compliance more than perfection. A genuine user who made a mistake and has learned from it has a much higher chance of approval than someone who denies everything and claims to be innocent when the logs show otherwise. So to recap, check status.anthropic.com first, read your exact error message carefully, do not create a new account, turn off your VPN, gather your evidence. Email usersafety@anthropic.com or fill out the official appeal form, be honest about what happened, avoid false claims, write in a professional but human tone. Submit your appeal within 24 hours and wait 7 to 14 days for a response. If this video helped you understand how to appeal a Claude account ban, hit the like button and subscribe for more Claude troubleshooting guides. And drop a comment below telling me if you successfully appealed your account. See you in the next one.